So we already know that I am B. Bharatarajan, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Professor. So today we are going to discuss about the different types of protections in engineering graphics. Okay. So you already know that. So engineering graphics is the basics of it. So what is the use of engineering graphics? So we just want to know about the any component. We just want to find out their projections, which means their views. The view representation is very, very important. Okay. So based on the view representation, we can develop the new product, new component. Okay. So that is the basic requirement. So one of the basic applications is what? To develop a new product and component according to the necessity of customers. Okay, so that's why we just want to study this particular subject in second semester for all the departments, all departments. So before that, so what is we know that the basic application is we just want to develop a new product. Okay, for the particular purpose we are studying this particular subject. Okay, so here in this subject there are different topics which is available. So do you know what are the things we want to study in this subject? Do you have any idea? Yeah, projection of points. Yeah, external prism. Yeah. Okay, internal prism, external prism. So these are all the solids. Okay, you know that this is we are telling that no, the external prism. This is the external prism. So this one is what? This is the pentagonal pyramid. Okay, so this is the pyramid and this is the prism. Okay, so before we are going to start the projection of solid, we must understand what are the different coordinate systems. What are the different coordinate systems? Yeah, what are the coordinate systems? First coordinate, second coordinate, very good. So what is the first coordinate? How can we justify we are using the first coordinate system or first angle of projection? What is the difference between first angle and third angle of projection? Very good. So in first quadrant, we are taking the first quadrant. Okay. So it's the way, the easy way to understand the different coordinate system by using our notebook. Okay. If you are taking a notebook like that, no? So here we are using to segregate different coordinate system. We are using this like this. Okay. So this is the four types of coordinate system. The first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, third quadrant, and then fourth quadrant. Okay, you are the here if you are taking an example, this is the way of quadrant with the system we can segregate. Okay, this is the first quadrant. Here these two numbers consider as you just assume like that. Okay, you are the observer. Okay, if you are taking a component like this, we are taking this quadrant. Pentagon. Yes, pentagon. What is the difference between prism and pyramid? Yeah, single. This is a point. Okay. The pyramid, there is a one point. This is the apex point. In this apex point, all the 5 quadrants are 6. This is the 5 joints. Okay, 5 sides for the joints. It will be joined in on a particular point. So this point it will be known as apex point. So if you consider this particular solid in a first quadrant system. Okay, these two members consider the observer. Okay, they are looking for the particular object. Okay, this is in front of these two members. The object will be placed like that. They are looking their visual eyes to looking for the particular object. So this object projection will be carried out here. This one is the considered the vertical plane. This one is the horizontal plane. horizontal plane, this one is the vertical plane. Okay. So in the front view, I am getting in a vertical plane. So the top view is like is what? If you are the same observer looking from the top upwards, you are looking the points. Okay. So we will discuss in the next video clearly how we can represent the consider based upon the first quadrant system. How can we create the projection? We will see in the next video.